So we have already seen the React hook program yesterday. So useState hook, we worked on the useState hook. So what is the purpose of useState hook now? Simply, we use it to we used to set a state. We used to set a state and change the state of that variable in a functional component. See, this is the syntax actually. Const, not the constant actually. Let's go with some variable. Variable name, set name, use state of hi, this is lokesh. So hi, this is lokesh will be assigned to the variable name. Okay, so that name will be printed right here. If I want to change the value inside the name, all I need to do is I have to use the set name. I have to use the set name. See, this is how we can use it, like something like, I'm using some button here and I'm going to write some on-click event, and I'm going to give some anonymous arrow function. Anonymous arrow function means the arrow functions will not have any name. Generally, we will have some function like this is the function f. But the point is, I'll be giving some anonymous function and arrow on click. I have to execute this function. The function will be something like this is a block of the function. What I'm going to do? Set the name of this is the. That's what I've written there. Now let's execute this one. CD app I'll be going to the app tree and npm space start is the command used to start the application. Okay. It'll take some 2 minutes to run the React hook application. Just wait for that. So it started. This is starting the development server now. Yes, it is compiled successfully. Now just look at the output of this one. Hi, this is located. Okay, I'm not given the button name. I'll be giving something like click here. I'm saving it. Okay. So if I click on this one, see this? The state of that hook, useState hook is changed. Okay. State of the useState will the value of useState will be assigned directly to the name. Okay. So this is actually the syntax. This is actually the syntax of useState hookup. Okay. So the useState value will be directly assigned to the variable name, and if you want to change the value inside the name, you have to use the set name variable. Actually, to have some relevant name, I'm just using this set name. You can use anything here. Okay, so see what I've done here. On clicking of the button, on click the button, what I've done, execute this function, execute some anonymous function, in which what I've done here, set name of hi, this is Dattu. That means the name is already printed here. Okay, the state of this particular variable is printed. Hello name equal to hi, this is Lokesh is already printed in the output screen. But whenever I click on the button, then what it is doing, the state of this particular variable is changing. Okay, set name hi, this is Dattu. It is changing to hi, this is Dattu. Okay, just refresh this one. So this is our actual name. Name is already name printed there. Name hello name equal to hi, this is Lokesh. Now whenever I click on the button, then set name of hi, this is Dattu. That means the value inside the name variable will be changed. Okay, its state will be changed to the new value. Hi to the hi, this is Dattu. Okay, so this is how we'll use the use state hookup. Oh, as simple as that.